From a time when your skills on the mic were more important than the size of your gat. Playback FM.
I can't believe y'all sat through all that propaganda. Question, why do people expect things to change from the comfort of their own chair? You tell me, then pass me the popcorn. Forthright MC rarely leaves the house these days.
I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather.
The government wants you to listen to country music, y'all. Country music. Right now, Forthright MC wants y'all to listen to this.
Well, let's get this straight, there's no contest. So now you people know and don't have to guess. I'm not the king of rap, not Lord, not Prince. I was a young kid rapping, I've been rocking ever since. I was just a young buck, I didn't care what MCs were in my way, they never uttered a butt, cause I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. Course, silly young ladies too just chill. They never say no to me. Always say that they will do whatever I want them to. When I confront them to, watch where you're walking, or you just might bump into. I never rule them, I only school them. But if they ever try to fool me, that's when I fool them. I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. No time to be jealous, only to make money. I rap on stage, shake my butt for you, honey. Cause I'm a rockin', I'm a non-stoppin' MC baby who loves finger poppin'. So don't diss me, just kiss me. If I ever have you and leave, you're gonna miss me. I'm just a brother, so what's up, sis? Cause it's the pretty young ladies that make me talk like this. Yes, I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. I'm an MC, some say that I'm a poet. I changed my style, people just didn't know it yet. I had to tell them, I might tell them. You mess with me and both of your eyes, I'll spell them. Well, like Al Capone, I'm out to take charge. I've got a fish shines, brand a new car in my garage. All the ladies wanna cruise me, they don't move me. See my bankroll, they wanna try to use me, but I'm no fool, never losing my cool. And for me to undress, I make the young ladies drool. I'm not bragging, telling you what I'm about. Young ladies, no babies, and marriage is out. But if you insist, you come get this, your house or mine, night or day or be fine. So let's get with it, so that I can hit it in an hour or two. Me and you can just quit it. I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. Take your hand off your hips and baby, let's work out. No leaning on the wall, no standing around. So are you ready? For what? For the beating me now. Because people come to see me, some even want to beat me. Pretty young ladies want to LUV. The beat's so bad that at 9 o'clock in the morning, if you play
I say give us a call here at Playback FM, but the government keeps records of those that listen to the old school hip hop.
I'm the Godfather.
Who's on the line?
What up, dog? This is Keith from Ganton Down in Los Santos. Los Santos in the house.
And you tell me what's your favorite radio station?
Well, actually, it's CSR. I love that New Jack Swing, boy.
The damn whole coast is going soft. No wonder the place is in such a state. You need some knowledge and a slap upside your head.
Look, man, you think I'm going to get a freak to knock the boots with me listening to some damn Public Enemy? Man, please. How am I going to get my swerve on singing if my girl's all riled up